Good morning. Welcome back. Today's the last week. This week's the last week of school.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. It's the last week of school, guys. Aren't you excited? The month is May. So today is Monday, May 18, 2020. The weather's going to be partly sunny, so probably in the 90 degrees. So it's going to be a little warm outside. Remember to drink a lot of water, do a lot of exercise, stay active. So for today, we are going to be working on our content areas. I want to say it's reading, so we'll be working on either reading or math today. Make sure you submit your picture for a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I will answer all your questions. Let's begin.